What's happening, y'all? Good night, ladies and gentlemen. I today, well, few a few days before Christmas, y'all. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing tonight? So right now, today is, I guess, December the 10th, 2021, and stuff like that. How y'all doing, ladies and gentlemen? Dominoes 7 here. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoying this Facebook Live, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Yep. So everything is cool up in here. Everything is straight. I'm gonna get a haircut in a couple of weeks, just in time for Christmas. I mean, having fun being in charge and stuff like that. Things is going good in my life. I'm very happy. And I hope y'all people out there is happy. Y'all having a great time, saying happy to yous. There's a lot of birthdays this month. Yep. Just like birthdays last month. Erica's birthday last month. I guess it was the day of Thanksgiving or the day after Thanksgiving. Well, she gonna whip my behind, for getting her birthday again, just like Brittany would. She'll whip my booty. I love when she say that. You know what? My friend Brittany made me laugh today. Let me tell y'all something. Brittany said, "Did they have poo-poo in there?" I cannot get over when she asked me. I kind of wonder how she know that I was gonna laugh at something like that. Brittany, if you're watching this, how do you know that I was gonna laugh at something like that? I can't wait to meet Danny. Okay, he's an awesome guy. How I know? Cause I know a good person when I see one. Yep. So, like I said, if you're in a relationship, or engaged, or married, can't come over to Dominoes 7 Studios by yourself. Why I say that? Because let me tell y'all something. This is Dominoes 7. I'm blessed with a house, with TV, a YouTube show, Facebook, and all that. I'm blessed with all that. So I'm not gonna jeopardize my blessing or my job for anything. So some people like to jeopardize their relationship, their job, they blessings and stuff like that. Excuse me, and stuff like that. Cause you know what? I got so many games. I got this and I got that. So I'm not gonna jeopardize my relationship whenever I get in a relationship. Hopefully I hope and pray that I be with Dominique though. So I don't even know if Dominique gonna watch this Facebook Live or not. But if but when I upload it to YouTube, then yes, she gonna watch this. Okay, and her dad is a police officer. Yep. And then one person said leave her where she at because her father's a cop. Let me tell y'all something. It doesn't matter. Long as he's a good cop, it ain't no problem. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no problem whatsoever. So all right, we gonna step outside. Lord have mercy. See, well, I'll tell y'all what I say, Lord have mercy for. They got children playing at the park by themselves. Enough for something to happen. But anyway, y'all. So, gotta finish my show. Yep. So, I'm outside. Yep. I'm not on Claiborne or none for anybody that's concerned in me. Okay, because I be having a lot of people concerned in Domino, especially my own family. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm good. Yep. Yep. So my house is my so-called place of business. So this house, I call it Dominoes 7 Studios. What the hell is? I don't even know what that is. Uh, thank God it ain't no roach or nothing. Cause I gotta make sure. Uh, you know. All right. So look at this. Yeah, the cartoons. I love cartoons. Yep. How many of y'all like cartoons? I love cartoons. You know. Yep. So the thing is, I need to make sure that I need to make sure that everything is good with me, because, like I said, I have another friend also named Erica. She's married with children, happily married with children, So I told her I want to invite her to my housewarming party. And Brittany, if you're watching this, I sure would like to invite you as well. Okay. Well, she said sure she'll come, but Danny gonna have to come. Yep. All right. Yeah. So yeah, everything is cool so far. 2023, well, 222 would be better. So anyway, so I want to let y'all know something, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully y'all gonna meet Brittany and Danny on my show one day. Hopefully so. And y'all gonna meet their child Bailey. You know, I haven't met her yet, and not only that, I haven't met Nyla's baby yet. So and speaking of Nyla and Brittany met. So let's see how that's gonna go. And Erica's boys, Edge and Zelly, I sure would like for them to come over, hang out and stuff like that. So I need to fix my health. So yeah, we can have pizza and chicken every blue moon and stuff like that, but not all the time though. I gotta lower my cholesterol. Heart healthy. Oatmeal squares. Yep. Yep. So check this out. Frosted Cheerios can help lower cholesterol as part of a heart healthy diet. Yep. Domino have the lowest cholesterol. I might have high cholesterol, so Monday I got to go to the doctor and get myself checked out. Take a blood test and stuff like that. I do need to take a blood test, honestly, because I'm getting older and stuff like that. Thank God I keep up with these doctor's appointments. Because I'm disabled, autistic, partly autistic, but at least I got knowledge. But I can't work because of my nerves. The only thing I'm good at is something like this. Something like this. You understand? So that's what I'm good at. Something like this. So I mean, I'm happy for everybody and stuff like that. If it's something ain't right, I ain't gonna be happy for you. So I'm not a hater. Domino 7 could never be a hater. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So like I said, I'm not gonna jeopardize my job and my blessing or my house or anything, in any good thing I have to hate on somebody. Okay? Just like somebody thinking I'm hating on my own brother. It doesn't matter if my own brother, local, gets more girls than me. Yeah. He get them gangster ghetto girls out the street. Instead of finding them at Walmart like I do, and Rouse's and Winn-Dixie like I do. Yeah, I speak to females and all that, but the thing is, business first, okay? Yep. Uh-oh. This red gravy in here, I forgot all about that. But I'm a take care of that when I can. All right. So, yeah. And as far as that, my friend Shamika, she my best friend. You know, she invited me to her house last week sometime. You know, I don't well the week before last. You know, I don't know what she invited me for. You know, probably to hang out or whatever. You know, okay. So she invited the other neighbors. You know, which was okay. You know, yeah. So yeah. Brittany, don't worry. Me and you best friends, you know. But I'm gonna let you know something. I love Shamika like a big sister, but you, Brittany, I love you like a baby sister. Okay, all right. So I call Brittany my baby and all and stuff like that. But she said, I thought I was your sister. Yeah, you are. You know. So yeah. So I want to let y'all know something. I'm doing this show, doing this Facebook Live and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Instead of being on Facebook cursing and carrying on, this girl that I ain't gonna mention her name. If she watching this, she knows who I'm talking about, you know. Being on Facebook cursing and carrying on just because she had a bad day at work and stuff like that, cursing at somebody. Let me tell y'all something. I ain't gonna do that, you know. I'm not gonna make an ass out of myself on social media, you know. I ain't gonna do that like I did before, you know. Just like I talked about my cousin's boyfriend because me and him got into it and stuff like that, you know. That ain't me. That ain't Domino. You know what I mean? So I must say, I'm not gonna jeopardize my blessing for anybody. You know what I'm saying? So there's some haters out here. You know, there's some haters out here and stuff like that. You know, people gonna hate on you and all that. You know. So guess what? Deal with it, ladies and gentlemen. Deal with it. You hear me? Cause Domino don't hate on nobody unless they hate on Domino. You heard me? Okay? So why would I hate on a loser? Why would I hate on somebody that's doing better than me? You know? So we already know who's a loser, but I'm not gonna talk crap, you know? I mean Brittany's took I can't get over this. I really can't get over it. Oh my God. She had, you know, my trailer was stopped up. Y'all, if y'all watch my YouTube video, I showed y'all the out of order sign. It ain't up there no more, so I took it down. I bought a plunger, and she asked me, was there poo poo in it? I waited so long to hear Brittany say that. You know, and then Nyla, I know y'all watched one of my previous videos of her when she said poo poo booty. Oh, you know what? I can't wait for Nyla to come back to the Dominoes 7 show. Yeah, Nyla is coming back to the Dominoes 7 show. You know, I got a feeling that Nyla and Brittany gonna wind up being best friends. I can feel it, y'all. Nyla and Brittany will be best friends. I guarantee that. You know, I guarantee with a passion that and instead of me being her best friend, Nyla gonna be her best friend. You know, and I want to tell y'all something. I asked Brittany, "Are you gonna whip my booty?" She said, "I'll let Nyla do that." You know, that's exactly what she told me. I'm gonna let Nyla do that, you know. Yep. So anyway, one day Erica gonna come hang out over here, you know. Yep. So I'm gonna be making schedules for people to come over one day, you know. Especially my family, especially my auntie, you know. I sure miss her coming over here, you know. Yep. So when the new year comes. They definitely gonna come, you know. So they can hang out here first before we get to the new house whenever that's gonna be, you know. Yep. So the way I think about it, I'ma definitely be careful who I have in the Dominoes 7 studios around Brock, you know. So, like I said, me and him is twins. Y'all saw my twin brother on the show before. If y'all been watching me over the years, you know. How long, I want to know, how long y'all been watching the Dominoes 7 show? If y'all been watching my show since the first season, then y'all already know, okay? So y'all already know if y'all watched my show since season one, you know, since season one of the Domino 7 show, you know, so y'all will know, okay, y'all will know. So if y'all seen Tanya on the show, that's if y'all watched the best of the Domino 7 show, okay. So let's see how that's gonna go. All right. So about to make a phone call right now. So thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. And one more time, I'm going to tell y'all, I will never jeopardize my job for anybody. You hear me? I ain't going to jeopardize my job. I'm not going to jeopardize my blessing, you know. I will not jeopardize my blessing for anything. Thank y'all for watching this, all right? God bless y'all. And one thing, don't jeopardize your blessing or your job for anybody. You hear me? Okay, remember, God give it, God take it. Trust me. I hate on somebody, I jeopardize my blessing. God could take all this from me, you know, especially my show. Okay? God bless, all right?